Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Lite for sale in Waseca, Minnesota 55955. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2016 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Lite. This luxurious fifth wheel is 42 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 7 guests. It has been outfitted with 4 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as a leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal abuse, which has enabled its excellent condition. This 2016 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Lite is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include kitchen, great cooking area complete with 3-burner stove with oven, microwave refrigerator / freezer kitchen island with double SinkDinette with chair seating living room, flat screen television surround sound DVD / CD / StereoSofa SleeperTheater, seating full bathroom, glass enclosed shower toilet sink master bedroom, master queen size bed with new residential queen mattress television full-size master bedroom closet bunkhouse, 2 BunksTelevision More Features, basement storage lots of space and much more. This 2016 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Lite is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2016 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Lite can be yours.